Physics doesn't care about your schedule. A loaded trailer has massive momentum and it will not stop on a dime. The space cushion is your following distance. This determines your reaction time. In an emergency, you need the seconds to see the problem, hit the brakes, and stop the truck and trailer in time. Here's how to figure out how much time you're giving yourself. All right, so we're gonna look for a landmark, Andres, like a bridge or sign, any landmark, and once you see the car pass it, then you count down to see how long it takes you to pass it. Now, if it's an empty truck, we're looking for like 3 or 4 seconds, but if it's a loaded truck, then we need at least 5 seconds. So the gap isn't a suggestion. It's like the only way to prevent a jackknife or a rear end collision. And it's very helpful for whenever traffic slams on brake ahead of you.